process. So what we want to do when we're trying to select the option strategy is we want to look at, what's going on in the market. So we want to, first thing I always like to do is I want to identify the market cycle. Okay. So do we think are we in an uptrend, upcycle, uptrend, downtrend, or sideways? Or you maybe have no idea. We've had a lot of uncertainty lately, but we want to try to determine the market cycle. And then we went to the next thing I like to do is identify the chart pattern. All right, so when I say chart pattern, I've got 5 different type of chart patterns that I look for. And these are high probability, winning chart patterns that I've used over the years and years and years I've traded. So I've kind of defined exactly what they are, then I know what to look for, and then based on that chart pattern, it'll give me a good, clear idea of the best option type of trade or strategy to use. So that's kind of the second step of the process. And then the third thing you need to do is you need to know, what is your time horizon? What is your duration of the trade? What are you looking for? Are you looking for a real quick in and out, a short time horizon? Are you looking for this maybe a longer trending trade, thinking this thing has a lot of potential upside or maybe downside? You're looking for a trend, continuation trend. So that's going to be really important. Your trade duration, your time horizon. So that's kind of a key step that we want to identify and clarify before we put the trade on. So when do you expect that trade to make money? Okay, is it going to be today, tomorrow, next week, or next month? Okay, so really important. So this is a big part that we'll go through in the course next Saturday, starting next Saturday. Then the next thing is your capital at risk. So this is going to be a lot of times based on the market conditions you're trading. So when you're trading a really high volatility or higher volatility market with lots of uncertainty, which we're kind of in now, obviously, it's a lot of uncertainty. You want to really control that risk. So there's certain option strategies that are going to be better for your risk versus other types. Okay, so we can really structure and reduce our risk kind of to low risk, medium, or higher risk trades based on the market condition. This will dictate then what maybe the best option strategy would be to use in that kind of market condition. And then what is your goal, your objective? Are you looking just for some passive income, just to kind of bring in each and every month or week, from the market, or are you looking for more, decent profits that you can get on your capital at risk, or are you needing hedging? In this kind of market, you really want to understand how to hedge what you already have on, or are you looking for capital gains? So what are your objectives of trading or investing, and that's going to dictate too then what might be the better option strategy to be using.